Hello HackUNT, my name is Daniel Ting, and I'm doing the Respect Challenge. My project was inspired by this XKCD, which jokes about a person who writes a virus that forces whoever wants to write a YouTube comment to first hear it being read out loud back to them. As we all know, when you can hide behind a pseudonym, it's easier to say some things that you might not say to another real human being's face. So the goal of this web extension is to simply encourage you to be more mindful of what you say online by doing exactly what the comic says. Before you want to post anything, you first have to listen to it, the whole thing being read out loud to you. In addition, it also highlights some words that may be toxic, and there's also a share button that you can post on social media to tell how long you've been listening to a certain piece of text. And this can promote accountability. So let's see how it works. If I type in a test comment here, you can see that the save button is disabled. I first have to click read.
This is a test.
And as you can hear, it just spoke out the sentence to me using the native OS's text-to-speech. So yeah, this also integrates nicely into the native page by pulling the styles from the background so it fits right in. As you can see here, I'm on a different subreddit that has default font of Comic Sans in a light blue background, and if I click read here, in this very toxic comment, you can see that it matches the style of the background page, so it feels native. And as you can see here, all the possibly toxic words are highlighted in red. And if I click share, then it'll copy to my clipboard the duration in time that I was listening to this piece of text. So I'm pretty proud of being able to finish this and integrating it all together, and if I had more time, I would definitely add it to more websites, because right now it only works on Reddit, but it's pretty modular, so I can just simply, with a couple lines of code, target the required HTML elements on other social media sites like YouTube or Twitter. And I'd also like to employ something more complex, like sentiment analysis, to highlight toxic speech instead of the simple hard-coded list I have right now. And lastly, if there's people who actually want this, then I'd actually consider porting this to Firefox, because they do not currently support the version of the manifest that I'm currently using.